We good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. I'd like to acknowledge, of course, the HBW ambassadors, all of you. And of course, for those who chose to be here tonight, I want to honor all of you. And yeah, I am Maylene Cruz, and welcome to our Wednesday BOP or business opportunity presentation. This is a Tagalog and English version. And I am broadcasting live from Davao City. I'd like to welcome each one of you. So please, if you can chat your location right now so I can acknowledge you. And yes, this is two parts. No? This will be product presentation for 45 minutes to 1 hour. And the other part is the compensation plan or business, which is 30 minutes. All right. So if kung meron pa po tayong spare na time, we can have a question and answer portion. All right, so I'd like to welcome those who are from Baguio City. Hello po, good evening. And of course, from Oman, wow, good evening po. And from Japan, yung iba hindi ko pa nakita, no? But yeah, welcome to each and every one of you. But I'd like to start, but before that, I'd like to enjoin you to a short prayer. All right. Yes, Lord, we praise and thank you, Lord God, for this wonderful evening, Lord. Thank you, Lord God, for bringing us together once again in this presentation, Lord. Be with us as we learn how this product works, Lord, and how this can help each one of us. May we be a blessing and glorify your name. We pray. Amen. All right. So, yes. Ayan, ako, ang dami nang nagte-text, no? From Samurai, Japan. Nueva Ecija, hello, hello. And of course, from California, Julito na yon. Welcome po. Wow. And from London, United Kingdom, hello, Ma'am Helen Alina, of course. Ayan. So, good evening po sa ating lahat. Good more earnings. All right. So, yeah, I may start now. We know that health is our greatest wealth, right? And wellness right now is a very common word because lahat tayo ngayon is very much aware of our health. And right now, we would like to introduce to you this modern alternative approach, which is the iTeracare devices. And this is a very powerful device. And right now, no, this is very popular, especially our iTera Classic. We had 3 devices right now in the market, and the iTera Classic is the basic one. And the other one is the iTera Pro. iTera Pro is the it's the heavy duty. Pwede po natin itong gamitin for 4 hours continuously. That's why makikita po natin ito usually na ginagamit sa mga therapy center, mga wellness center. And if you would like to have that beauty center, no, or spa, ito po ang pinakamagandang gamitin. All right? And right now, meron po tayo ang ating 2024 version, and we are so proud of this, the iTera Care Premium Plus. Okay, ito pong iTera Care Premium Plus, we can have this every 2 minutes, nagbibip po siya, and it's very beautiful. Look at that, right? So that is the iTera Care Premium Plus, the newest edition of all. And of course, meron po tayong ginagamit dito na dalawang concept. And the first one I'd like to discuss with you is the frequency medicine. Ito po, nanggaling po ito kay Albert Einstein, our great scientist. According to him, the future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies. And truly, no, we have seen the power of frequency during the inventions of NASA, no, last September 2003. Marami pong mga PEMF, pulse electromagnetic field, it increases the cellular growth. At marami pong mga sumisikat ngayon because of this, the power of frequency. And right now, we can also see this. Ginagamit na po ito sa mga hospital, sa mga therapy clinic, mga beauty clinic. Mga equipments po ito using the frequency. I believe, no, marami nang nakakita sa atin ng mga RF. That is very common for the women, especially yung nasa aesthetic, no? I mean, yung mga nagpapagawa sa mga aesthetic centers. Okay, so mga radio frequency po, ito ay hindi mura. Alright, ito po per session, 30-minute session, it costs 6,700. And meron din po yung mga low frequency. Ito po, during the time na nagpapa-therapy ako, rehab on my back because I have this back pain problem, no? Scoliosis. Yan. So, yan po talaga ang aking main problem. So, the hospital, Davao doctors here in Davao City is usually using this low frequency na therapy device. And of course, we were able to also experience a very small device using infrared, no? It cost 250,000 pesos and meron pa pong 450,000 pesos. Very portable. This is being used in the facial treatment. At ang maganda nun, it cost 11 to 12,000 per session. My gosh, di ba? Pampaganda. Yan po, napaka-expensive talaga magpaganda. But the good thing about that, it's very portable. We can use that even in our home. Diba? So, ganyan po kamamahal ang mga frequency equipments or mga devices. And even sa, hindi lang po ito device, no, mayroon talaga mga equipment, mayroon mga beds na ginagamitan po, gumagamit din po talaga ng frequency. This is being used in a modern and a high technology places, no, even in abroad. Okay, some of this also can be found in the Philippines, but of course, very, very expensive. That's why we have to thank this inventor, this biomedical scientist, because last 2014, he was able to invent this what we call portable frequency device. But during that time, that was very, very expensive, no? Like 200 million in peso. And of course, nagkaroon po ito ng evolution, ano, since 2014, para lang po siyang trumpet. And then, noong 2017, medyo na-innovate, medyo gumanda ang itsura, but still, very expensive, no? It's almost 20,000 US dollars. And but ngayon po, because of that evolution, nagkaroon po tayo ng terahertz device that we are calling the iTera Care. All right? Ang pinakauna pong lumabas nito is the last 2019. This is the iTera Care Pro, or the what we call iTera Pro. Of course, this is a combination of heat and light waves. And ang maganda po nito, you can use this for 4 hours continuously for the whole body therapy. Kahit po hindi nyo siya i-stop, tuloy-tuloy gamitin kasi heavy duty po siya. So this is being used in the hospital or mga wellness clinics. And during 2021, alam naman po natin kung ng 2020 pa lang, no, pandemic hit. So, ang mga tao ayaw nang lumabas, ayaw na magpunta ng hospital, takot na magpunta sa mga clinic. So, we are all just staying at home. So, we thank Prive International for really bringing this out, this iTera Care classic device, no? This can be used in a household kasi mas affordable po siya. And of course, but this is just have, meron lang po siyang heat setting, no? 3 heat setting. Unlike dun sa iTera Pro, yung ginagamit sa hospital, meron siyang cold setting. So yan po, nung 2021. And of course, 2024, eto na po, lumabas na ang iTera Care Premium Plus. Para po siyang combination ng iTera Pro and iTera Care Classic. Kasi ito naman po, meron po siyang ambient setting. When you say ambient setting, kung ano po yung room temperature, no? It could be the lowest heat na ma-experience po natin. So para po ito sa mga sensitive sa heat. And ang maganda po nito, nagbibip po siya every 2 minutes and look at that, very beautiful, no? Very beautiful. So yan po ang ating mga iTera Care Terahertz devices. And of course, we can see no na napakarami po. If you can check online shopping, no, mahilig tayo mag-online shopping, we can see a lot of imitations. Yes. Especially yung iTera Care Classic natin. Grabe, napakadami, no? Kamukhang-kamukha niya talaga. You can see that in Shopee, in Lazada, in Amazon, and you can buy it very cheap. I think mga almost 2,000 pesos, 3,000, mga ganyan lang po ang price. You can buy that if you want to, kung gusto niyo pong makatipid. Pero I guarantee you, hindi po yan legit. Hindi po yan authentic na iTera Care device because the distributors po, the licensed distributors of Prive International, kami po ay bawal, no? Hindi po kami pwedeng maglagay sa mga online shops. So why are we saying that we are the legit? Because we have this what we call certificate of appointment that Prive International is the only and the sole distributor of these iTera Care devices from Dishang, okay, which is the manufacturer of the iTera Care devices. Okay. So aside from the heat, aside from the frequency medicine, another concept that we are using in these devices is the heat, okay? Because according to Hippocrates, Hippocrates is the ancient father of medicine. According to him, if there is a way to heat the bone, all diseases can be treated. Wow! Di ba? All, hindi lang po some, hindi lang many, but all. And very confident that he is saying, that he said that, no? All diseases can be treated. And that was foretold 25 centuries ago. And ito po ay nasupport ng book na ginawa ng isang German na author, which is naglabas po siya ng book entitled 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Ano, according to this book, when the body temperature increased by 1 centigrade, our immunity will be enhanced by 5 times. Wow! So dapat pala, no, 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit ang ating temperature para mataas ang ating immunity. But of course, the Filipinos, no, ang conversion po niyang 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is 37 degrees Celsius. Okay. Ako po, pag 37 degrees Celsius, ang mga anak ko, I consider that as already feverish, no? 36.5 to 37, feverish na yan. And 37.5, pinapainom na po yan ng gamot. Alright? So, sa atin po, parang may fever na siya. And doon pa, ang tama pala nating temperature is 37 degrees. Only if wala po tayong infection. Yan. Kasi po, di ba kaya naman tayo nilalagnat? Because our body is fighting some infection inside our body. Kaya po tayo nilalagnat. Kaya po tumataas ang temperature natin para paglabanan kung ano man infection ang nasa loob. Pero ito po, 37 degrees centigrade siya na walang infection. Yun po yung pwedeng makapagpataas ng ating immunity. So the question is, how are we going to increase our body with that, no? Up to the 37 degrees centigrade. Kasi nakikita po natin dyan, napakadaming benefit po niyan. So, eto po ang bibigyan natin ng solusyon tonight. Alright? So, paano painitin ang ating katawan na wala pong infection para maging mataas ang ating immunity against the diseases in the environment. Especially ngayon, sobrang init. Kung hindi sobrang init, lakas ng ulan, ano? At kung hindi naman, sobrang lamig naman. So, talagang ganun po, no? Kaya nga po kami, mga galing kami sa biyahe, ayan, mga sinisipon, inuubo, buti na lang may iTera Care kaming dala-dala. And because of this, people are really getting aware of the wellness. And alam po natin na the new way of wellness ngayon na ini-introduce po natin is time will come that we will not drink any more medicine. According to this, no, if you can look at the screen, we will not pop a pill. We will just blow it. All right? Because right now po, alam natin ngayon no, na napakarami po sa atin na nakaka-experience or nakakakita na ang dialysis center po para po siyang mga kabuti or mushroom na nagpa-pop up lang sa kung saan-saan. Para siyang 7-Eleven, ano, every kanto, every corner, makikita natin na merong dialysis center because of these mga problems in terms of when you drink a medicine, what will happen? Okay, what will happen? Of course, kung umiinom ka ng gamot para sa puso, eventually, no, after few months of drinking that, magkakaroon po siya ng complication sa kidney, magkakaroon po siya ng complication sa liver. And right now po, ang dami po talaga may mga kidney problems. Kaya po talaga napakaraming dialysis center. And because of that, we are so much thankful that we are introducing this kind of device. You will not pop a pill, but we will just blow it. All right? So, eto po, this iTera Care devices, we are using the 3-in-1 technology, no? We are using the terahertz, the quantum energy, and the optical quartz. When we say terahertz po, kaya po siya tinawag na iTera Care dahil yung tera po doon, terahertz, that's our flagship technology, the terahertz. Ang terahertz po, ito yung nagmamatch or tinatawag po natin nagre-resonate. When you say resonate, magkapareha po ang kanyang frequency sa atin pong cells, sa cells ng body natin. So magkakilala po sila, ang terahertz at ang terahertz frequency at ang frequency ng ating katawan. All right? Kaya po na-activate niya ang ating cells. All right? And the other technology that we are using is the quantum scalar energy. Okay? Ang quantum scalar energy naman, ito ang this is the one in charge, responsible for the penetration. Kasi 'di ba, the question is kapag tayo po ay kanina sinabi nga 'di ba that if we can find a way to hit the bones, all diseases can be treated. But how are we going to hit the bone without burning our skin and flesh? 'Di ba? Napakarami na pong mga inventions na lumabas, mga oil, no, mga haplas na tinatawag, okay? So yun po, no, marami na pong mga lumalabas na ganyan. And of course, marami din pong mga salon pass. Ayan, kapag alam mo ang salon pass, alam ko na ang age mo. So marami na pong lumalabas just to heat our body, no? And of course, yung mga nagpapasauna, steam bath, ganyan, because we know the therapeutic effect of heat. But right now, paano ba yan gagawin? So eto po, we are also using the optical quartz. Ang optical quartz naman po, ito po yung ang kanya pong effect naman is like it mimics the sun energy, no? 1/40 of the sun energy. Yan po yung optical quartz. So the heat, ito po yung heat po yung nanggagaling. If we know the crystal energy tube in our iTera Care device, ito po yung optical quartz. So it generates the terahertz frequency and it produces the quantum energy that carries the heat and the frequency into our bones. Yan po, yun yung penetration na nangyayari. That's why there is an improvement sa ating pong health. And of course, eto na po, no, I am going to discuss the 5 features briefly lang, no, the penetration, activation, identification, safety, and user-friendly. So when we say penetration, eto na, because of the quantum scalar energy, na siya po ang nagdadala ng heat at saka ng frequency sa loob ng ating bone marrow. Alright? So nahi-heat up po ang bone marrow, and you know that the heating up of bone marrow is very important dahil nasa bone marrow po ang different kinds of meron po tayo dyan red blood cells, platelets, white blood cells, which is the soldier of for the infection, and it increases our immunity and help our body recovery. So the next po is it activates the cell because of the resonance. Ito na po, trabaho po ito ng terahertz dahil sa pagkapareho ang frequency ng normal human cells sa terahertz frequency, that's why po nag-generate po ito ng millions of vibration per second. So, to give you an example of resonance, I would like to play this video. Ayan. Just take a look at that. 512 terahertz ang una, hindi po gumalaw yung ping-pong ball. The goal is pagalawin ng ping-pong ball. So, pinalitan niya po ng same frequency, 440 Hz. Okay, so nakita niyo po, gumalaw ang ping-pong ball. So, yan po ang tinatawag na resonance. Okay? So, because of that, na-activate po ang ating cells. And of course, ang third feature po niyan is identification. So aside from our cells being activated, na-identify niya rin po yung mga abnormal cells or mutated cells. We all know na kung ang katawan po natin is very healthy, it can heal our body, no? That's why, kaya nga po healthy is you can heal, die, or heal thyself. Okay, so ang katawan po natin, we are capable of doing that because our body is a perfect system which is created by God, no? But because of the mga practices natin, lifestyle, kinakain natin mga instant food, no? Instant noodles, instant coffee, lahat na lang instant, no? Kaya po nagkakaroon tayo ng problem sa katawan. Tapos because of the mga Korean novela at mga kung ano-ano, pag swipe at pagtingin-tingin sa social media, kulang din po tayo sa tulog. So marami po sa ating mga cells ang nagiging abnormal, no, namamatay, at dahil po dito, nagkakaroon po tayo ng mutated cells. When you say mutated cells, ito po yung nagiging cause ng tumor, ng cancer. Alright? And of course, alam po natin na meron naman talaga tayong cancer cells and it's just waiting to be activated. At pag kumain po tayo ng mga carcinogens or yung mga free radicals na nakukuha po sa mga pagkain na inihaw, mga ganyan po. At of course, yung mga preservatives, instant foods, yan na po yan siya, no? Na-activate po ang ating cancer cells. So these are the zombie cells that's just para po siyang Pac-Man, no? Pag nakita niya na abnormal yung cells mo, weak ang cells mo, didikit siya doon. So magdidikit-dikit po sila lahat ng mga abnormal cells, yun na po yung mga mutated cells, at kapag nagdikit-dikit po yan, magiging tumor po siya. And eventually, kapag lumala po ng lumala, yung mga mass na yan, magiging cancer po siya. So yan po. And eto po, ang maganda dito, na-identify po ito ng terahertz. Alright? So kapag nakita po na mutated ang cells or abnormal siya, ang gagawin po sa kanya, hindi niya po makakayanan. Ang mga mutated cells at abnormal cells, hindi po niya nakakayanan ang vibration na na-generate po ng terahertz frequency. That's why, kung active ang cells mo, I mean, kung healthy ang cells mo, ma-activated siya, no? All the more nagagana siya. Magiging energized ka. Pero kung ang cells mo is abnormal or mutated at hindi niya nakayanan yung vibration, it will be liquefied. And the liquefaction ay diyan po, nagkakaroon po tayo, makaka-experience po tayo dyan ng mga healing crisis, no? Because there will be excretions. Ang maganda po dito, normal po siya. I mean, healthy and normal po ang magiging excretion natin. Like for example, if we have problem with our kidneys, magkakaroon po tayo ng excessive na pag-ihi. So madalas po tayo niyan iihi, ano? At kung meron naman po tayong problem sa our excretory system or kaya naman po sa ating pagdumi, madadalas po ang ating pagdumi. So instead of once a day lang, magiging twice, magiging thrice, or 5 times a day po yung ating pagdumi. And of course, kung meron naman po tayong mga skin problems, we will experience a lot of perspiration. No? Kailangan lumabas po lahat ng mga toxin sa ating katawan. So that's the good thing about our device. And of course, because this is an electrical device, we have to make sure na we are guaranteed na ito po ay safe. Safe from what? Safe from radiation. That's why we had this testing. Actually, ito po is pinadala lang, aside of course from the company, no, na before nila nilabas itong product na ito, talaga pong meron po siyang safety inspection. We have that certificate. And of course, aside from that, other people or mga third-party users have sent this to us, no, na meron po silang mga ginawa na bumili po sila ng radiation reading device just to test. If you can see, ayan, ini-check niya po dun sa stove na usually ginagamit sa mga condominium, no? Ayan po yan siya. So, napakataas po ng kanyang radiation. Kapag idinikit po yung radiation device test, ayan, makikita po natin na ang taas ng radiation. Now, we are going to use the Pro, the iTera Pro. Ito po yung heavy duty. Napakalakas po ng voltage nito. And if you can see, ayan, zero pa rin po. Kahit yung pinaka-powerful natin na iTera Care device, it has a zero radiation. And of course, this has undergone a lot of clinical tests. Actually, 62 clinical tests na ginawa po sa Beijing Research Institute of Chemical Technology. And based on these 62 clinical tests, we have come up with the classification, no? Classification that the 5 stars, yan po yung the best. All right, 5 stars at 3 stars being the lowest. So if we can see here, that the iTera Care devices are very good against various inflammation. Ito po yung mga rhinitis, pharyngitis, gastritis, at mga prostatitis. Lahat po ng merong ending is itis, ito po ay mga inflammation problems. So, yan po yan siya. 5 stars, okay? And we all know that inflammation is the mother of all diseases. So kapag na-address po natin ang inflammation, wow, 'di ba? Hindi na po 'yan tutuloy ang ating pong sakit. So napakaganda po talaga na first aid ng iTera Care device. Okay? And of course, 4 stars for aches and discomforts. Okay? Aches and discomfort, ano ba yung mga yan? Of course, ang kahit po we are very well, wala po tayong mga diseases or wala po tayong mga sakit, pero ang mga shoulder and neck pains, di ba? Very normal, especially napaka-stressful na po. Ngayon, ano, sa traffic pa lang, nai-stress ka na sa mga kausap mo, sa trabaho, di ba? So we are all experiencing this kind of shoulder, neck, pains, lower back, ayan, yung mga pains na yan, pagsakit ng ulo at mga kung ano-ano pa. 4 stars po ang iTera Care device dyan. And of course, if we have mga blockages sa atin pong mga katawan, no? Blockages, ang blockages po, of course, number 1 na naisip natin dyan is yung varicose veins. No? At saka yung mga, marami po tayong mga na-experience din na mga blockages pa sa loob ng katawan natin. So, 4 stars po yan. And good news to the ladies out there, no? This is very good for skin beautification. Okay? So, napakaganda po nito ang tawag dito, magpabanat ng skin. At dahil po, syempre, because of the heat na ina-apply natin, pagpapawisan tayo, and then later on, pwede naman po natin siyang i-dry then also. Kaya po, best gamitin yung iTera Care Pro kasi meron po siyang cold setting. So, marami po, especially yung mga elderlies, no? Mga elderlies, at saka yung mga very conscious na women, they choose to have the iTerra Care Pro. Okay, yung heavy duty po natin because of the cool setting. And even the iTerra Care Classic, napakaganda po nito. Even sa mga psoriasis problem, mga severe eczema, ayan, nakakatulong po talaga siya. Okay, we have a lot of testimonials. Okay, so ang tanong, paano naman natin siya gagamitin? Okay, very user-friendly po ito. So if we can see here, that's our fifth feature, no? Ang paggamit po nito, you don't need any professional knowledge about how to use this product. But papakita po natin kung paano po siya ginagamit. Okay? So, basically, i-apply lang siya. Ayaw mag-play. Alright. So, yeah. Okay. So, ayaw lang po niya mag-play. Hindi ko lang siya ma-point doon. Okay, but napakaganda po niyan gamitin na nakahiga. Okay, ayan, makikita naman po natin doon, ano, hindi ko lang siya ma-play, but maganda po yan siyang gamitin sa habang nakahiga po tayo. And then, kung meron po tayong mga assistant or meron po tayong asawa na pwede pong mag-blower sa likod natin, napakaganda pong gamitin niya. Napakasarap, especially po sa pag walang damit. No, yan po yung pinakamasarap na paggamit at nakahiga po tayo. It's just like we are having our massage. Ang maganda lang nun, hindi po nabubugbog yung atin pong katawan. Kasi 'di ba usually after massage, ang sarap-sarap habang nagpapamassage pero kinabukasan medyo masasakit ano yung mga minasage. Pero ito po ang kagandahan po nito because of the heat and the air na lumalabas and the frequency, ayan, we feel well, we feel better without the bugbog part. Ayun. So, ganun po siya. And of course, pwede naman din po, kahit po mag-isa lang kayo, we can use that, no? Sa tayo lang, kung wala po talaga tayo, wala pong mag-a-assist sa atin, we can do that even nakahiga. Pwede rin po nakaupo, katulad ni Lolo, no? Nakaupo lang po siya. And meron pong blow sa likod niya. Kahit po may damit, okay lang din po. At pwede rin naman po na kahit kayo lang mag-isa. Actually, ako, dahil gusto ko talaga matagal na nagbo-blower sa likod ko. So, natuto na po ako na mag-isa lang because nakakaawa naman yung husband ko na siya yung nagbo-blower sa akin. Ayoko ng 30 minutes, kailangan 45 minutes to 1 hour, no? Ganyan po ako mag-blower. So, kaya po natuto na akong mag-isa na abutin ang likod ko. Paraan lang po, be resourceful, kaya po natin yan. Ano? Pwede po yan siyang ipatong sa pillow, pwede pong ipatong sa table, just or the better kung meron kayong microphone stand. Ayan. Just make sure lang po na safe po siya, hindi po siya magro-roll, hindi po siya babagsak. Dahil kapag bumagsak po yan at nabasag ang ating crystal tube, wala na siya. 'Di ba? It will still work but no therapeutic effect anymore dahil ang technology po natin nasa crystal tube. Okay, so it is 100% safe, even the infant can use that. Okay. So ito po yung sinasabi ko, no? If you can see this red iTerra Care Classic, check po natin, ano? Let's look closely. We can see na pwede po siyang paghiwalayin at makikita nyo po yung nasa gitna is the crystal tube. So yung crystal tube po, nandyan po ang technology. Pag nabasag po yan, it's just like an ordinary hair dryer. 'Di ba? Na may radiation. Kapag nilagay po kasi ang crystal tube at inon po ang iTerra iTerra Care device, yan na po, doon na po nag-generate ng terahertz, optical quartz, and the therapeutic heat. Okay? Kaya po yan, napakadaling gayahin. Kaya nga po makikita natin yan sa mga online shops. Kasi the device itself, no, napakadaling gayahin. Okay? Pero ang hindi po, ang mahirap pong gayahin is the technology, which is the crystal tube quartz. Okay? And paano po yan siya ginagamit? kapag bumili po kayo, the distributor will send you, ito po, a digital copy of this steps of using the iTera Care device. So usually po, iinom lang po ng baso, dalawang baso na i-charge po. Ibig po sabihin, i-blower nyo po yung water sa glass and then iinumin po yan and then we have 10 points. Ito po yung tinatawag nating mga meridian points. So, i-blow lang po ang palms, ang soles. So, susundin nyo lang po ito and then before and after the warm up, iinom po tayo ng tubig. And then after that po, kung meron po tayong mga health concerns, yan, depende po kung asa ng ating health concern. So let's say for example, meron po tayong sakit na diabetes, okay? So it's more of the problem of the pancreas, the inflammation of pancreas. So ang blowing po natin 15 minutes sa pancreas for diabetic patients. Okay? At makita po natin dito, meron po siyang note na kung meron pong high blood pressure, don't blow the number 8 or yung crown of the head. Okay? Kasi kapag blinower nyo po yan, because of the heat, baka po mahilo, no? And hindi po maging maganda yung effect sa kanya. So, you can blow all the parts or yung mga nearby parts or meridian points, but not just the head para po doon sa may mga high blood. Okay? So, yan po yan siya. And of course, meron din po tayong mga precautions. No? Ito po, pwede po natin siyang gamitin, pero wag lang pong i-focus pagbuntis sa tiyan. Okay? At saka pag may menstruation, wag po sa tiyan at sa puson. Okay? At kapag meron pong mga steel or mga implants, wag po natin i-focus doon. Yun po yung bawal. Okay? But other than that, pwede na po siya. Pwede po sa nearby parts ng ating katawan, sa mga limbs, extremities. So, pwede po yon. Pwede pa rin pong gamitin. Wag lang pong i-focus. Okay? So, ito po, ginagamit din po natin. This is not just good for our body, this is also good for the water. Kasi po, ang water, kapag tinamaan po siya ng terahertz, ang water po na usually clustered ang kanyang molecules, no? When you say clustered, ito po yung kumpol-kumpol ang kanyang molecules. So, syempre, pag kumpol-kumpol, ang itsura po niyan, malaki po yan siya. So, if our cells is just like this, at meron po sobrang laki ng molecule na papasok, hindi po yan siya makapasok, di ba? Kaya po, pag tayo po umiinom ng water, minsan nafe-feel natin na hindi po siya smooth or hindi po, nahihirapan po tayong inumin kasi malalaki po ang cluster ng water. But pag tinamaan po yan ng terahertz frequency, yung mga kumpul-kumpol na mga molecules, nag-a-align po siya. So, syempre, pag nag-align, maliit na lang, and kung ganito po kalaki ang cell natin at naka-align lang po ang mga water molecules, madali lang po siyang makapenetrate. That's why we will be able to optimize the oxygen and the hydrogen inside that water molecules. Kaya po tayo po ay mas na-energize. Ayan, kapag po ang ininom natin ay blown or charged water. Okay? And we know a lot of benefits. You can read that, a lot of benefits of the charged water. And of course, meron lang po tayong disclaimer that our product is not a medical device. This is just a household electrical equipment and should not be used for medical or not as a medical device. Okay? So, ang nagpapagaling po, hindi ang iTera Care. Ang ginagawa lang po niya is ina-activate nyo lang po yung stem cell sa loob po ng bone marrow natin. Kaya po, ang nagpapagaling talaga is yung ating katawan. Okay? So, when we have problems or medical problems, we should ask our doctor or yung mga health professionals po for that. Okay, so we have a lot of testimonies. This has been gathered worldwide, no? And ang papakita po natin is, of course, meron yung mga nasa Pilipinas. Ito po, Ang kanya pong problem is 4 years na siyang merong leg and back severe pain, no? And talagang gumagamit na po siya ng saklay or cane. And but after using the iTera Care device, ayan po, nakakalakad na po siya. Okay, another one is this one naman po, meron po itong diabetes. So, ang ginagawa po sa kanya, chinecheck. Ito po yung maganda actually gawin, ano? Before nyo gamitin ang iTera Care device, i-check nyo po muna ang inyong blood sugar. Meron naman po mga tester niyan, di ba? So, you check your blood sugar and then use the iTera Care device. Mag-blower po tayo. And then after that, you check again and see the difference. Kasi ito po, ginawa po niya, nag-test po siya before and after. That's why nakita niya po na very effective. Okay. And ito po, this is the case that we have personally witnessed, no, here in Davao City. Ang tawag po dito is myeloma or sebaceous cyst. Okay, so ito po, he is an Australian national pero nakapangasawa po siya ng taga Davao and siya po ay naka-experience nito pong iTera Care device. This myeloma has been in his back, in his neck, no, for almost 57 years. Kasi 17 years old pa po siya nung nag-start po na magkaroon ng bukol sa kanyang likod. But the good thing about the myeloma, hindi po siya masakit and not even cancerous. So, nandyan lang po siya sa likod, okay? Pero lumalaki po siya ng lumalaki and very inconvenient, very uncomfortable. Okay? So, of course, siya po, ginusto niya rin po na magpa-opera. Actually, my first question was, bakit naman tumagal ng ganyan? Since 18 years old pa, tapos ngayon 75 years old na siya nung nakita namin na may ganyan, no? And bakit hindi po siya nagpa-opera? The answer is, he already tried twice na magpa-schedule or magpa-opera, ipa-surgery yan. But the thing is, yung dalawa niya pong kakilala na nag-undergo po ng surgery, ang first is na after 3 days of the surgery, namatay po. And then yung second one naman po, right after the surgery, died. So kung siya po kayo or kayo po siya, 'di ba? So hindi na rin siya magta-try magpa-opera kasi malapit daw po sa brain. So yun po yung kanyang naging reason kung bakit tiniis niya na lang yan sa likod niya. Dag ang maganda po, meron pong isang tao or friend nila, referral, na nakapag-share po ng iTera Care device. And because of nagkaroon na rin po yata ng desperation, of course, no? Kung ano man ang pwedeng makatulong dun sa bukol niya sa likod nang walang surgery, gagawin nila. So, eto po, true enough, no? The wife has become very open and of course, the person itself, no? Siya rin po very open. So, makikita po natin na ang day one, first time na nag-blower, ganyan po ang itsura. And then day two, ayan, nagkaroon na po ng opening. And because of the heat, no? Ang itsura daw po niya ng sebaceous cyst is just like a peanut butter with the white substance inside. White po ang itsura niya na parang peanut butter. So, syempre po, kapag hini-heat up yan, ayan po, kaya nangingitim, no? Parang nasusunog yung ibabaw. That's why it's black. So, tuloy-tuloy lang, day 1, day 2, day 3. So, makikita po natin. And then, ang maganda po nito kasi nado-document talaga ng wife. So, ayan, day 5, lumalabas na po. So, unti-unti nililinis po nila ito. Excuse lang po kung meron pong kumakain, pasensya na po, no? So, ito po ay nililinis ng cotton buds, tapos mini-make sure lang po na hindi siya ma-infect. So, ang ginagawa po is ini-spray ng charged water, yung gilid, and then after po that, tsaka po siya binoblower. Tapos yun po, tinatanggal po yung mga peanut butter-like na substance sa loob. So, unti-unti na chinatsaga po, natanggalin yung nandun sa loob, ayan na po ang nangyari, no? Unti-unti po siyang lumalabas, natatanggal kung ano yung nasa loob until eventually, day 14, yan, nag-flatten na po. Naubos na yan, naubos na yung substance doon sa loob. Kaya po, eventually, ayan. Para po siyang ah, inoperahan na hindi tinahi. Yun po ang itsura niya. If you can see that in person, meron po talaga siyang na makikita nyo talaga yung line, no, that separates the skin. You can open it if you want, no? Pwede. So nakikita yan. So yan po yung husband ko. Kasi taga Davao po din talaga si Mr. Ian McIntosh. And ang sabi niya po, the surprising thing is there's no pain, no odor, and just only blown water. Wala po any medication. So yan po ang very, very interesting na testimony that we have here in Davao. And also, ito po isa is yung mga varicose veins. If you have that kind of problem, no, yung mga malalang varicose veins, i-blower lang po natin. Pero syempre, kailangan tiyaga po every day for 2 months. Etong particular case po na ito is naayos po siya after 2 months. And we even have this testimony on the regrowth of bone cartilage. So yan po, with the X-ray, no? Makikita po natin na it's really documented. And this one also, we have the aneurysm case. Ito po sa St. Luke's Hospital last year, no? Year 2023. So ito po 27 years old, a very young man na who's suffering from aneurysm. Ayan, ganyan na po yung itsura niya, marami na pong tubo. So a referral also, or a pastor, no, na talagang nagpunta po doon sa loob ng hospital and sa loob ng room and talagang bravely, no, blow the patient with, of course, the permission of the parents. Very desperate na po ang parents dahil nasa 4 to 5 million na po ang gastos nila sa hospital. And of course, tsinagaan po ng pagboblower. First day, wala pong effect, no? Nakaganyan pa rin po ang itsura niya, nakahiga, na wala po, hindi po gumagalaw. Second day, ganyan din po ang itsura, wala pa rin effect. Third day of blowing, wala pa rin pong effect. Parang walang nangyayari. Pero tsinatsagaan po, binabalik-balikan. Hanggang fourth day, binalikan, wala pa rin. But on the fifth day of blowing, yan na po, nakatayo na po yung pasyente. At nakapag-CR na. And eventually, after 14 days, yan na po, na-discharge na po siya. Okay, so that's very amazing, right? At alam ko po na marami po tayong mga kakilala who's been suffering from medical issues, health concerns, and has been praying, no, na magkaroon ng lunas yung mga nararamdaman nila. And yeah, so we should share this iTera Care device to them. And of course, we also have this. Oh, wow. Alright. Ginagamit din po ito for acupressure. No? Meron pong sa Malaysia na therapy clinic na ginagamit po nila ang iTera Care device with pressure. They have this tool na meron pong pointed tool po siya na blunt, of course, yung dulo. Pero ginagamit po siya na direct sa skin, na natatouch po yung skin at nag-apply ng pressure and then plus the heat. Actually, we've tried this, no, na massage. Tapos, habang minamassage, ibublower, ay grabe, mas masarap po ang effect nun. Kaya lang, mainit po sa kuko. That's why mahirap matuloy-tuloy. So, this one, because they have the tool of that acupressure, for the acupressure, kaya po mas effective. Alright? So, yan po, sa Malaysia po yan siya. So, nagagamit. So, ngayon, ang tanong, napakaganda ng product, very amazing, no? So, magkano naman po yan? The answer is, here in the Philippines, it's $350. In the US, it's $400. And in UAE, it's $410. So, the pricing depends per country. So, dito po, because of the duties and taxes, dito po sa Pilipinas, kinompute po natin yan at 57 pesos. So, that's a fixed rate for that computation. So, 350 times 57 pesos, that is 19,950 po. per iTera Classic device. So yeah, that's it. So I think that ends my product presentation. Now I would like to call on, I would like to stop my sharing and see. Oh, wow. All right. And see if Miss Anne, okay, our presenter for the compensation plan is already here. Okay. Ayan. So, yes, I'd like to introduce to you our Davao leader. And she is the one who's really presenting this in Zoom presentations with with her group and also face-to-face presentation. And right now po, I am going to call the powerful and the amazing, our Davao leader, Miss Anne Teengfo. Go ahead, Sis Anne. You can now share. You can now share your screen, Sis Anne. All right. So let us all welcome Miss Anne Teengfo. Sis Anne, take it away.
Mm. Hello, good more earnings, everyone. Welcome to the business side of this amazing device, iTerra Care of Prive International. I'm just so excited to share our amazing compensation plan. Yes, kung gaano po kaganda ang mga presenters ngayon, ganun din po kaganda ang ng ating compensation plan. Of course, not the presenters, but of the device po. So, um, yes, there is a business after buying the device. So this is definitely not an expense. This is an investment to a potential global business. So you can have or own a business, not just here in the Philippines, but with global reach with minimal capital. So let's begin with my presentation. So we have three different entry packages, the silver, gold, and diamond. So as you can see po, bawat product may equivalent na point value. And every product that you will purchase, there is a pin. Yes, there is a pin po. So for example, if you will buy the iTerra Classic, the red one, or the Iron Shield, the Seven Wonders, you will get 200 PV. And for the Premium Plus, you will get 400 PV. And pag na-register po yun, then you will have a silver account. And then kung iTerra Premium naman po ang gusto nyong bilhin or either of the four po, kung ano po yung gusto nyong bilhin, you will get a, yun nga na nasabi ko, that you will get a pin and then you will have a silver account. For iTerra Premium naman po, ang gusto nyo, then, or the 3 Classic, or the iTerra BioLite, then you will get the 600 PV and 1 pin. Pag na-register po yun in one account, then you will have a gold account. For iTerra Pro or the 10 Classics, you will get 2,000 PV. Or for the iTerra Bio or the Oxytop or newest device, you will get 2,500 PV. So later on, you will know the difference of these three entry packages. So FYI po, remember that kung bibili po tayo ng product, dun po tayo sa legit distributor. Kasi nga as mentioned ni Miss Mai kanina na marami po talagang mga fake na mga device. So para nakasiguro tayo, meron po dapat PIN at saka warranty. Meron talagang nabibili na mas mura, we thought na mura, pero fake pala yon. Pero hindi natin alam, the same technology ba yung nilagay sa device. So better check kung yung nagbebenta online, legit distributor po siya ng Prive International. So today po, sikat na sikat po ang iTerra Care dahil sa ganda ng epekto ng device and ang dami na pong nagsishare about the device. Pag ni-research nyo po siya sa social media, whether TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, sobrang dami na po ng positive reviews or testimonies. Kaya, we are all over the world and we have a phenomenal growth. So, over a period of 28 months, Prive International has set up 23 country branches, 32 country stockists, and 26 USA state stockists. All right. So, Prive International, so in Prive International, there are 8 ways to generate income. Yes po, marami pong bonuses tayong makukuha by just sharing the benefits of the product. And this is the only company who offers 8 ways to earn. So what are those? Number 1 is the sponsorship bonus, redemption bonus, level pairing bonus, group pairing bonus, leadership bonus, uni-level bonus, or rank up bonus, and last is the global profit bonus. So, I will discuss one by one po in detail para you will understand po the 8 ways to earn. So, first is the direct sponsor bonus. So, kapag ginamit mo na po ang device, tapos ang ganda ng epekto sa'yo, you can't contain but to share it to your friends, relatives, or sa lahat ng kakilala nyo po, di ba? Especially yung sa mga may mga health concerns, health issues. So, pag nakabenta po kayo ng isang classic, so that's 200 PV. So the company will give you 10% of the PV, the point value per package. So kasi our commission is computed based on the point value, not on the price na binabayaran natin. Kasi iba-iba po ang pricing per country. And then for silver account, you will get $20. So that's 10% of the 200. And then for the gold, that's $60. That's 10% of the 600 PV. And for the diamond, if you, pag nakabenta po kayo ng pro, you will get $200. Alright. So alam niyo na kung ano po yung ipupush niyo sa pag-share ng device. Alright. So that's the number 1 pa lang po. The number 2 is the redemption bonus. So galing po ito sa ating direct referral. So ang direct referral po kapag ang taong shinare niyo po nag-register siya at ang nilagay niyang na direct sponsor ay ikaw, then ikaw po ang makakuha ng number 1 na direct, yun yung direct sponsor bonus and this product redemption bonus. Ito po yun. Kapag silver, 35% of the point value of the 200, so you will get $70. And for the gold, tinaasan po ng company, $45 of the point value, yung 600, so you will get the $240. Kapag pro naman po ang nabenta mo, meron kang 50% of the 2,000 PV, so you will get the $1,000. So eto, mag-redeem ka ng product. Example, pag nakabenta ka ng pro, sabi, 'di ba? Sabi natin na may 1,000 US dollar ka. So pwede ka nang mag-redeem ng dalawang classics kasi 'di ba, ang classic is $350 times 2, that's 700. Then may sobra ka pa ng $300. So sakto po may promo tayo ngayon na 7 Wonders na 300 lang po for this month of April. So in just pag isang benta mo lang ng diamond package or the pro, you will get you can redeem product na 3 na po. So yun. So remember po that the number 1 is cash nyo po makukuha while the number 2 product, well number 2 po is product po yun. So kapag marami kang direct referrals, kasi nag-enjoy ka sa pag-share, then mabilis ka po makapag-ipon and makapag-redeem ng products. So pagbenta nyo, yun na po yung additional cash nyo din po. So that's the redemption bonus. And the third one is the level pairing bonus. So this is what we call fast track income. All right. So malaki po ang kitaan because of the direct sponsor and the level pairing bonus. So when we say level pairing, this is binary. If it is binary, so this is 2. Dalawa po. So dalawa lang naman po ang paglagyan natin if we will register the pin, whether sa left or sa right. So in this bonus, you will get 40% of every first pair on all levels. Alright. So, ang maganda po nun, galing po ito sa direct mo or your family hierarchy or kahit yung spillover na tinatawag na placement hierarchy. So, yun po, ginagamit nyo po yun for the pairing bonus. So, ang lalong nagpapaganda dito, this is infinity. So, kahit sa dulo ng walang hanggan po, you can have this level pairing bonus. So, we also have, meron din po tayong tinatawag na auto placement feature. So, ang ating yung ating system. So, ang unang direct referral nyo, ilalagay po yan sa left. So, wala po kayong choice. Sa left po talaga yung first. And then, but on your second, on your next direct referral, choice nyo na po yun kung saan siya ilagay, left or right. But in this scenario, so since yung level pairing yung pinag-uusapan natin, so sa first level, silver on your left and then silver on your right, then you will get the $80. All right. So, for the second level naman po, if nakabenta ka ng pro, so which is diamond yan, and then on your right, yung silver siya, then you will get $80. Kasi the system will detect the lower point value, which is yung silver. So 40% of the 200, kaya $80. So why the same with our third level, yung silver and diamond. So $80 din po yun. Pero the question, I know yung question nyo is sayang naman po yung diamond and silver. So, hindi po siya sayang kasi pag yung silver account, nag-upgrade po yun, yung diamond account, waiting na lang po yun siya ma-pair. So, you will get the 720, which is the difference of 800 minus the $80 which the company gave you already, then you will receive another 720. So, walang sayang po talaga. But, on your fourth level, nakabenta po kayo ng Pro and Pro, then you will get the $800 and that is roughly 40,000 pesos. So, 'di ba ang galing ang laki na po if it is only your side hustle, then isn't it good or very good to receive 40,000 pesos a day or every day if you want? So, yun po ang kagandahan ng ating level pairing bonus. So, there's no limit po dito sa ating level pairing bonus. And then the group pairing bonus. As you share and share sa product natin, hindi mo na namamalayan na lumalaki na yung team or your organization mo. So, hindi lang users yung nababentahan mo, but also leaders na rin na doing the business. So, dito po papasok si group pairing bonus. So, this will start from your fourth level to infinite. So if you have a silver account, you will earn 8%. Okay, so if you are a gold account, you will earn 10%. And if you are a diamond account, then you will earn 12%. So ito na po yun, yung sinasabi natin na you will see the difference kung ano po yung entry level nyo. So di ba, there's a big difference din na 8% and 12%, right? So, and we also have this daily max payout. Diba yung sa level pairing natin, we don't have the limit. Dito po sa group pairing bonus, we have the daily maximum payout. So if you are a silver account, your maximum payout is $300. And then if you are gold, $900 po. And for diamond, 3,750. So again, it's a really big, may big difference po kung silver or diamond ka kasi 300, that is roughly 16,000 pesos. And if it is diamond, that is 200,000 pesos. That is daily. So if you're earning 3,750 daily times 30, then it will give you 6 million per month. So isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. So ang magandang feature po nito is we have the strong leg retention. So meaning kung ang strong leg mo ay may 100,000 US dollar and at nag-pair ngayon yung sa left mo is yung daily bonus calculation, nag-pair siya ng 3,700 kasi nga nag-max out ka. So ang 3,750 lang ang mababawas. Then the rest, nandyan lang po siya kinabukasan. Waiting lang po yun para ma-pair hanggang maubos po yung, yung points mo sa strong leg mo. So walang flash out. Meaning that's a very good news kasi walang nasasayang na points. Alright. So, next is our leadership bonus. So ano po ito? So meaning, this is a builder's bonus. So, di ba since may mga leaders ka na, may kahawak kamay ka na in doing the business, hindi po masasayang ang time and effort mo in helping your leaders build their team. Kasi the company will give you bonus. So, for silver levels, yung level 1 po, yung level 1 mo, you will get 10% of all the rec. Okay? So, so this is from their group pairing income. So if nag-income sila ng 3,000, so you will get a 10% of their income. So for the level 2, you will get 5% all the recs of your direct, and then the level 3, all 5% all directs of your second generation, and then level 4, the 5% all directs of your third generation. So for the gold levels naman po, same with silver, but yung sa gold until level 5. And for the diamond levels, this is up until on your level 6. So ang lalim na po, kahit ang lalim na po, meron ka pa rin makukuhang bonus from their group pairing income. So that's the leadership bonus. So for the uni-level bonus, this is a monthly personal maintenance. So every month we are going to maintain $30. So if binayaran po natin to, magiging active na po tayo. And ma-enjoy natin yung bonuses or commission from number 4 to number 8 ways to earn. So ang kagandahan po nito, that $30, nalilipat lang po ito sa ating bonus redemption points. Okay? So, naiipon po ito, madadagdagan yung redemption wallet natin, and then meaning, mas nakakaipon tayo ng mabilis and mapapadali yung pag-redeem ng product. So again, you will have an inventory products. So, next. So, ito po yung perfect structure if mag-maintain tayo, tapos tinuruan natin yung dalawang leaders natin, yung dalawang leaders naman, tinuruan na naman yung dalawa. So, this is yung parang 2 by 2 duplication. And then up until 20th generation. So ito po, so then you will earn a passive income. So parang retirement yun na din po ito. So ayan po ang laki ng amount, but parang makalula sa sobrang laki ng amount. But to show you this, meron na pong nag-enjoy ng uni-level bonus. So may mga earner na po. So the first in the list is from Malaysia. So yun, number 1, then the Philippines, then Malaysia. So, ayan, they're enjoying the uni-level bonus income. All right. So, number 7 is our rank up. Okay, so since we are hybrid, we also have that level up in your position. If you aspire to be a 3-star manager, meron po tayong requirements for that. So, kung 3-star manager, you need to have 2-star manager under you. And then to be a 2-star manager, dapat may dalawang to direct na dalawang 1-star. And to be a 1-star, dapat meron kang meron dalawang 10,000 each of your 2 directs. Alright, and that is in 1 month po, dapat mabuo yun. But for the 2-star, wala na po siyang hindi na po siya 1 month. Kung kailan po siya magkaroon ng another 2-star, another 1-star para maging 2-star. All right. So there's a one-time bonus. If you will be a 1-star manager, you will get a $300 and it will go to your bonus wallet. So meaning this is cash you will receive. And then the 2-star manager, the $600, the same with it will go to your register wallet bonus. And for the 3-star manager, you will get $900. All right. So on top of your bonuses, meron ka pa, bibigyan ka po ng company ng one-time bonus. So here, our 8 ways to earn is the profit sharing. So ano po ito? This is from Sapphire Director to Crown Ambassador. So you will get a profit share from the gross global sales. So yun po. So there's a 0.1% for the Sapphire Director. But for the Crown Ambassador, ito po yung talagang goal ng lahat is to be a Crown Ambassador. You will get a profit share of 0.6% from the gross global sales. All right. So, ay, parang may na. Okay. All right. So, our goal is one iTerra Care device per household brings life to every home. So as you can see po, in the Philippines, that's 26 million households. So in the Philippines pa lang po, so meaning, and only one device per household. So can you imagine how big is our market? So talagang the timing is now. And I know if you are praying for a breakthrough, baka eto na po yun. So the question is, do you want to be healthy and wealthy at the same time? Then the decision is yours. The decision is yours to make, and every success starts with a single step. So yun po, it's a good day to change lives. Good evening. Thank you so much. This ends my presentation.
Thank you so much, Miss Ante Engfo, for that very clear and brief presentation. Now that we still have time, no, we still have 9 minutes to go. We can still entertain some of the questions. If meron po kayong mga testimonials, no, meron po magandang effect sa inyo yung product, I encourage you po to share so that we can bless these people, no, all these participants that we have right now. We encourage you to just share your testimony po. Okay, so while we are waiting for the brave person, okay, na mag-share ng testimony, meron po tayong question na nakita dito sa ating chat box. Okay, from Miss Evelyn Soriano, a 44-year-old woman who experienced a mild stroke is now experiencing frequent constipation. Where will I blow and how many minutes? So, mild stroke po yun. So, ibig pong sabihin, nagkaroon po ng problem sa kanya pong brain, no? So, tingnan nyo po kung saan po yung mild stroke or saan yung affected area or extremities na affected. And then, i-blow nyo po yung, for example, nasa left. According po ito, based po ito sa explanation ni Dr. Alex Ibay every Wednesday, no, for the stroke. So, kung ano po yung kabaliktaran na part ng body, no, doon po natin i-blow yung part ng brain. So kung left side po yung affected, sa right side po yung brain, sa side na yon po natin i-blow yung ating pong iTerra Care device. Doon po tayo mag-blower. And then kung nagkakaroon naman po ng constipation, of course, we have to make sure po that we are following the protocol, okay? So kung constipated po siya, of course, we need to drink more water, more charged water para po mas matulungan po na mais yung kanyang constipation. And nakakatulong din po na makatrigger ng pag-move ng bowel is when you blow it direct po doon sa anus. So, yung anus po, yung doon po sa opening, no? So, yun po, pwede nyo po siyang i-blow directly, pero low heat lang po ang gawin po ninyo. Yung kung hanggang saan lang po makakaya yung pag-blower. So, it will trigger po the bowel movement. Yun po. Thank you. And how many days after having a boxing match can a man undergo care therapy? What parts of his body should I concentrate blowing and for how many minutes? Meron na pong sumagot, no? Ay dadagdag ko lang po sa sagot ni Mr. Indira na Mr. JB na let's just make sure lang po na wala pong active bleeding doon po sa after po ng boxing match, no? Yung player, dapat po wala siyang active bleeding. Tapos kung saan naman po yung may mga pasa, of course, very painful po yan. So of course, makakais po ng pain yung heat from our iTera Care device. So sabi niya nga po, no, do the 10-point protocol and then yung charged water, makakatulong po yon. So after po sprayhan ng charged water, especially doon po sa mga painful parts, saka po natin i-blower para po makais ng pain. Di po ba sabi, bawal daw po i-blow sa head ang may hypertension? Yes po, sa crown, bawal pong i-blow sa crown po. Dito po sa taas, sa tuktok ng head, kapag meron pong hypertension. So, pero pwede naman po sa other parts of the body. Tapos usually po, pag hypertensive, ang direction po ng pag-blow is puro lang po pababa. So, pababa, tapos ilalabas nyo pong ganun yung blower, tapos babalik po ulit kayo pababa ulit dun sa part ng body. Good evening po, Miss Melody Vicente. If are the features of device are related to health, then why the company don't claim it is as a medical device? Actually po, it's one of the electrical device po siya in a sense na it is made up of the electronics, no? Pero kaya po hindi kiniklaim ng company na medical device siya is because it's also one of of the strategy of the company na mas mabilis po siya makapasok per country. Dahil kapag sinabi po natin, tinawag po siya nating medical device, napakadami pong mga certifications na kailangan, mga licenses, dadaan pa po siya sa mga kung saan-saan po, no, ng mga governing bodies, regulatory bodies po ng mga governments bago po siya mailabas. So that's why po, if you can see, in 2 years time, nagkalat na po siya globally ang ating pong device because of that claim. And of course, yun nga po, hindi naman po nga ang device natin ang talagang medical, no? Nag-activate lang po siya ng stem cell. That's for our safety din po as distributors. Mas mahal na siya pag naging medical device at di pwede gamitin ng ordinary person. Yes. Okay po. This is Edna Fajardo. We have a brochure of instruction how to use the iTera Care for a certain physical problem so that I can explain this accurately to possible customer or buyer. Do we have a brochure of instruction how to use? Yes, meron po. Usually, meron pong binibigay na digital copy, yung pinakita po natin kanina, yung 10 steps, no? Or yung blowing, meron po tayong mga blowing guide also. Miss Edna, if you can ask from the distributor po who provided you the product, mabibigyan niya po kayo ng digital copy. And then if you want po na meron po kayong tangible, that digital copy you can print para po maipakita nyo po doon sa mga possible customers nyo or buyer. Saan po ibublow sa katan yung meron diabetes? Okay. Ang diabetes po kasi is inflammation of the pancreas. So, Usually po ang pancreas, nasa ilalim po siya nasa ibaba po siya ng rib cage, in between po, no? So parang nasa middle po siya, from right to the middle part. To make sure po sa kanyang location, i-google niyo po siya, i-search niyo po sa Google, just type location of pancreas. Tapos papakita na po doon yung eksaktong location ng pancreas, and then doon niyo po siya i-blow for 15 minutes doon sa part po na yon. For 15 minutes po, you do the blowing. Of course, after po ng protocol, yung basic protocol po natin, you do the 15 minutes focus blowing po. Doon po sa may pancreas na part. After po mag-blower, restricted po tayo sa electric fan and aircon. Exposure for 4 hours. Thank you so much, Miss Judy, for that information. Yes po, especially kung nag-blow po kayo you started blowing without the aircon or electric fan. Okay. So talaga pong 4 hours kayo dapat hindi ma-expose. Pero kung if you started po dahil po sobrang init po ngayon ano ng panahon, nagfo 42 degrees no. So napakahirap po mag-blower ng walang aircon or electric fan. So ang gawin niyo po, i-turn on niyo muna yung aircon or yung electric fan bago po kayo mag-start ng blowing. Ang ang bawal po kasi is yung immediate po or yung sudden change of temperature. Kaya po sinasabi na after mag-blow 4 hours na hindi pwedeng gumamit ng electric fan or ng aircon. Pero if you started it with an electric fan na hindi naman nakatutok sa inyo at ang aircon po na hindi naman nakatutok sa inyo, just to para lang po mapalamig ang atin pong room bago po tayo mag-blower. Yun po, pwede po yun. Okay. Ano po protocol for Guillain-Barré syndrome? It is better to use Iteracare or Itera Bio. Thanks po. May muscle weakness and damaged nervous system. I am not a doctor po and yung GBS naririnig ko lang. So if you can search po kung ano yung particular organ na affected po ng Guillain-Barré syndrome, doon po kayo magfo-focus blowing. Usually po, kung ano po yung affected organ, 15 minutes po of focus blowing po yung gagawin doon. After po ng basic protocol. Okay? May muscle weakness and damaged nervous system. So, basically po, ang pinaka-effective po talaga na pag-blower, especially kung hindi po natin alam specifically kung ano po yung organ na affected, sa spine po, yung likod sa spine, yung spinal column po natin, doon po tayo mag-blower kasi nandun po naka-attach yung mga different organs po. But of course, much better if you know kung ano po yung affected organ, so you can do the focus blowing there po. Itera Care or Itera Bio? Kung usually po, kung Itera Bio ang gagamitin, maganda po yan for blood circulation, no? So, kung may problem po tayo sa blood circulation, yung Itera Bio po ang gamitin natin. And if we are so busy, no, very busy po yung tao, laging occupied ang kamay, or naiingayan sa pag-blower, you can use po the Itera Bio. But if you want po na localize or mai-focus po natin yung pag-blow, maganda po na gamitin ang Iteracare devices para po meron tayong localize and focus blowing. Especially po pag nasa taas banda po yung ating health concern or yung organ na affected, mas maganda po na Iteracare device. After using the device just to avoid to take shower, or we should not touch the water. Ang bawal po kasi after mag-blow is yung ma-soak or mababad po tayo doon po sa water. Okay? So, pwede naman po if you will sandali, no? Kung di po talaga may iwasan, maghugas lang ng kamay sandali. Okay? Ang taking of shower po kasi talagang parang mabababad po tayo niyan. We will be very exposed, no? At pwede po tayong pasukin ng lamig. Pero kung magta-touch lang po ng water, you mean to say by touching the water, siguro maghugas ng kamay, mabilis lang, pwede naman po yun. Especially kung pupunasan po natin right away. Huwag lang po tayong malamigan. Pwede po. Saan po dapat i-blower yung 7-year stroke patient? Left side, nakakalakad po siya pero mabagal. So when you say left side po, kung left side po yung paralyzed niya, left side ng extremities niya ang paralyzed, according to Dr. Iba, usually po ang affected area po ng brain niyan is nasa right side. So ang pag-blow po is sa right side of the brain. Focus blowing po doon. That is after po ng basic protocol ha. So, doon po, 15 minutes blowing. At saka po, doon din po sa area na kung saan po meron siyang paralysis, mag-blow din po tayo doon. Maganda ba ang pro sa skin disease? Yes po, maganda po ang pro. Kasi po meron din po siyang cool setting. Okay, tapos syempre, mas mabilis po siya. But just the same as the classic, ang kanyang effect. Pero kung gusto niyo po yung mabilisan, no, kasi po ang 45 minutes po ng classic, pwede lang pong 10 to 15 minutes sa pro. Okay, kung if budget is not a problem, I suggest po Pro. Kasi kami po, nung nakagamit po kami ng Pro, yun na po yung lagi naming dinadala, especially sa mga biyahe namin. Kahit po medyo malaki siya, medyo mabigat, pero maganda po talaga ang Pro. Paano po pag blower sa sciatic nerve? Ang sciatic nerve po usually po 'di ba nasa may legs pataas po no? Nandun po or banda po sa may hips pababa papunta po sa knees sa may gilid. So doon po yung part po na yon yung inyong i-blow 15 minutes po. So taas baba lang po yung pag blower. The key po is pwede po nating i-google kung ano po yung specific location ng ating specific health concern. Tapos, kung sabihin po niya nasaan ang location of that organ, yun po ang focus blowing for 15 minutes. Usually, ganun lang po siya. And basta make sure lang po na matapos po natin yung masunod po natin yung basic protocol before we do the focus blowing po. You're welcome, Miss Evelyn. Where to blow if you have fatty liver. Ang fatty liver po, nasa liver po usually is located under the rib cage po sa may right side. So doon po ang focus blowing for 15 minutes also. And sabi nga po ni Doc Ibay, aside from blowing, dapat po nating baguhin ang ating lifestyle at bawasan ang pagkain ng mga carbohydrates. Okay, hindi po siya yung cholesterol. Not much of cholesterol ang problem, more of carbohydrates po. So doon po sa may right side, sa below the rib cage po, sa right side. Yung manas na pa at legs po, wow. Okay, 906. Okay po. So, yung manas na pa at legs po pero 90 years old na yung lolo, ilang minutes pwede i-blow? Siyempre po, i-check po muna natin kung magpa-check up po muna, make sure malaman po natin ano po yung cause ng manas bago po tayo mag-decide, ano. But of course, kung wala naman pong way or hindi pa po na-diagnose ng doktor, ang pag-blow po is of course the basic protocol, sundan po natin yon. And then, yung spine, medyo tagalan po natin sa spine, especially kung hindi po natin alam kung ano po talaga yung totoong health concern niya or kung ano yung affected organ, bakit siya nagmamanas. And then, doon po sa part na may manas, sa paa at legs po, doon po i-blow. Since 90 years old na po siya, gamitan po siya ng low heat. Okay. Yung matotolerate niya po, yung pinakamababang heat po ng device natin. Anyway, may setting naman po yun. Okay. May edema or manas sa paa po, ilang minutes i-blow. Ayun, pareho lang po yan, Sir Gio. May na-stroke po kami na patient, 64 years old woman, barado daw po yung leeg na ugat. Sinubukan po i-blower pero na-observe po nila na nanigas daw po. Ano po recommended po ninyo? So, kung nanigas po siya, ang tanong po is before po ba ninyo blinower diretso po doon sa leeg na ugat, napainom niyo po ba muna ng tubig or nasundan po ba natin yung basic protocol? Kasi po pag sinunod po natin ang basic protocol sa paa, dito po sa palm, sa sole of the feet, nandyan po kasi yung mga nerve endings ng mga organs po natin. So, we are preparing po the whatever organ na tututukan po natin later para po mag-open up po siya. Yung mag-dilate po ang ibig sabihin. So, nakakatulong din po kung makainom po siya ng tubig or ng charged water para po makatulong po dun sa dilation or sa pagbukas or paglambot din po ng ugat. So, yun po yung nakikita ko kung meron pong ganong naging problema. Okay. I hope nasagot ko po yung question niyo. What is a diabetic ulcer? How to use the device with a diabetic ulcer? I am not a doctor po. Alam ko lang po diabetes. So, yun po. Alamin lang po natin kung ano po yung affected organ for the diabetic ulcer. So, if it's diabetes po, usually pancreas. I am not sure of the ulcer. So, i-check lang po natin, i-google po natin siya. And then, whatever is the affected organ, yun po yung gagamitan po natin ng blower. Yung focus blowing po na 15 minutes. And then of course, before the 15 minutes focus blowing, the basic protocol po. Can we use the device over the whole body or just over the 10 points mentioned on brochure? Pwede po natin gamitin for the whole body kung wala naman po tayong specific health concern. If we just want yung wellness or mais lang po yung, I mean, ma-relax lang po tayo, pwede po natin gamitin siya for the whole body. Nakaka-relax po yon. But of course, if we have the health concern, kailangan po nating alamin kung saan po ang specific area ng health concern po natin para makapag-focus blowing po tayo para mas maging effective po yung use natin ng iTeracare device. Ma'am, tanong ko, anong tawag sa sakit na manhid po ang mukha sa right ng mukha niya? 5 years na, ngunit noon na check up siya, negative ang result niya. Naku, hindi po ako doktor, probably next week pag available po si Doc. Pero kung meron pong manhid sa mukha sa right side, then you can use po the blower doon po sa right side kung saan po merong manhid para lang po magkaroon lang po ng magandang blood circulation. Of course, before that po, you do the 10 basic protocols po muna bago po natin yun gawin. Pero I suggest, habang hindi pa po natin siya nadadiagnose, pwede naman po na gamitin po ang blower doon po sa right side. 15 minutes po. Tapos tingnan po natin kung ano po yung magiging effect niya later. Ask ko na rin po regarding sa voltage kasi raw po may nakausap po ako na concern po niya na 50 Hz ng iTeracare Classic. Baka madali daw po masira sa Pilipinas. Ano po masasabi niyo at ano po pwede sabihin po? Thank you. If we can research po, 50 to 60 Hz naman po. 50 nga lang po yung nakalagay doon sa ating device. Pero if you can check po, kung i-google niyo po, ang Philippines, 50 to 60 hertz naman po. I mean, magkalapit lang po sila or pwede rin naman po siya kahit na nandito po sa Pilipinas, kahit nakalagay po 50 hertz. As long as ang voltahe niya po is hindi 110, it's okay to use po here in the Philippines. Yun lang po yung iingatan natin yung voltage. But of course, the hertz, pinag-aralan din po yan ng mga engineers ng company natin. So meaning, pwede po natin yan siyang gamitin. You're welcome po, Miss Emmy. How long we can use the iTera Classic continuously? Okay, so ang iTera Classic po, usually 45 minutes po ang tinatagal niya, no, na dire-diretso pong gamit. Especially po kung nasa medium heat lang. Pero kung low heat po siya, yung pinakamababa, minsan umaabot po siya ng 1 hour. Tapos kung sobrang init po, yung pinakamainit po na setting, yun naman po kahit 20 minutes of blowing pa lang, sobrang init na po siya. So dapat po i-stop na po natin. We have to check po the nozzle, yung pinakadulo po ng iTeracare. Doon po kapag mainit na po yung pinakadulo nun, yung nozzle, stop na po tayo. Yun po yung indication. Kahit po hindi pa po umabot ng 45 minutes, basta sobrang init. Baka naman po mamaya ang ginamit po natin is yung pinaka mainit na setting, 20 minutes lang po, sobrang init na po yung ating iTera Care device. Okay. Uh, Tapos po, how long? Tanong po, di po ba bawal sa plane ng iTera Care na hand carry? Based on experience po, pwede pong gamitin kahit po hand carry. Even po ang ating iTera Pro, nadadala po namin yan hand carry. So, yes, pwede po. Hindi po yan siya bawal sa plane. Kasi, ang tingin po nila doon sa X-ray is it's just like an ordinary hair dryer or blower po. Can the iTera Care be used for psoriasis with skin eruptions? Yes po, ginagamit po yan even sa severe psoriasis. Marami na po tayong mga testimonies about the psoriasis and kung meron po mga skin eruptions, maganda po yon na gamitan, sprayhan po muna siya ng charged water, you spray charged water and then tsaka po natin i-blower para po ma-moisturize po muna ng konti. Okay, hello po. Yung nag-chemo na may bukol sa right lang, he doesn't want to use muna yon iTera kasi he feels weak. If gagamitin niya in between cycles of chemo every 21 days, after how many days nag-chemo siya, dapat mag-wand? Mm, okay. Um, pag nag-after po ng chemo niya, usually naman po kasi 'di ba talaga naman after ng chemo, ang effect naman po talaga nanghihina po 'di ba? That's the usual effect of chemo. I don't think na it's the effect of the iTera Care. Usually nga po ginagamit po ito after chemo sessions para po um hindi po siya manghina and even yung mga pagsusuka maiwasan po. Usually po kaya po ginagamit po ng iba. Now, kung ayaw niya pong gamitin, it's all right. Pwede pong uminom po muna siya ng blown water. After how many days nag-chemo siya dapat mag-wand? Actually po, pwede naman po kahit na after a day or 3 days mag-wand na po siya. Pero kung ganun po kung siya po ang ayaw, pwede po mag-blown water lang. For thyroid nodules, sino po? Actually, meron po tayo ditong isang kasama na meron po siyang problem sa thyroid nodule before and because of blowing with the iTera Care, nakatulong po yon at lumiit din po and nawala. Meron din pong hypo thyroid. So, ang pag-blow po nun, of course, after po ng basic protocol, blow directly po, focus blowing for 15 minutes po. Dito po, kung nasaan po yung nodule, thyroid po. Doon. Diabetic ulcer is open sore wound commonly located at the bottom of the foot. Okay. So, okay. Thank you so much for that information, Miss Judy. So, kung wound po yan at the bottom of the foot, yun po ang gagawin. Usually nga po, di ba, yung nami-mention po ni Dr. Alex Ibay, one of the testimonies, yung diabetic foot na nililinis po with the charged water. So, i-spray lang po ng charged water, tapos lilinisin po. And then after po nun, tsaka po siya i-blow ng iTera Care device. Okay, yung namamanhid po bang face, manhid lang daw po ba yon or nangiwi na? Baka daw po kasi Bell's palsy. I had Bell's palsy po 7 years ago, sabi po ni Miss Joanne. So, yeah, baka naman po, hindi lang namamanid, baka naman po Bell's palsy na daw. So, nakakatulong din po ang ating iTera Care device sa Bell's palsy. Actually, the reason why na-share po ito globally, no, ang iTera Care device is because of the Bell's palsy testimony na nakita po ng ating top leader, ang ating crown ambassador na si Glory Quaresma. Doon po siya na-curious sa Bell's palsy testimony. Kaya po, yon. Because of that curiosity, ngayon po, humalat na ng iTera Care device sa buong mundo. Wow, thank you so much po, Miss Lisa. Thank you po for your appreciation. Want to make sure the iTera Care I got from a friend in US is 110. Do I have to use a transformer to use this? If you are here po in the Philippines and you got the device from US, 110 volts po yun. So, yes, you need to use a transformer po para po hindi po masira ang device ninyo. How long does the oxygenated water from Oxytap last? Do we have it sa office na? Wala pa po tayong Oxytap ngayon. How long ang oxygenated water? I am not sure po kung gaano katagal po siya naglalast for now. Paano po malalaman kung meron terahertz yung device even though mainit siya pag ginagamit at may light po na light blue color? Basta po, alam po natin na genuine yung iTera Care device, tapos hindi po basag ang crystal tube. Sure po natin na meron pong terahertz yun. Anyway, ang terahertz po hindi po siya nakikita eh. Hindi po siya visible sa eye. As long as we know that we bought it from a licensed distributor or registered distributor at hindi po basag ang crystal tube, surely po, nag-i-emit po yan ng iTera Care ng terahertz. How about heart enlargement po? I-blower lang po yung sa heart, diretso. Focus blowing lang din po, doon po sa may heart enlargement. Although, ang sabi nga po ni Doc Ibay, hindi na po natin ma-expect na babalik po siya sa tamang size niya or sa normal size pag na-enlarge na po ang heart. But yung mga symptoms, yung mga problems or discomfort po na nararamdaman, pwede po yan ma-alleviate when we use the blower. Do you think pareha po ba ang healing effect ng cool setting ng Pro with that of the hot setting? Yes po, kasi ang terahertz, it's a frequency naman po. Yung heat at saka yung cool setting, ang cool setting po meron pa rin siya pong terahertz. Of course, kung may heat po siya, mas relaxing po sa mga muscles natin, 'di ba? So actually ako po, I prefer to use yung heat, yung mainit. Even Pro po ang ginagamit ko, laging mainit pa rin. Pero combination po, ang masarap lang po sa Pro, you can mix or pwede nyo pong timplahin yung hot and cold. So kapag blinower nyo po siya, suabe, smoother than the classic kapag Pro po ang ginamit ninyo. Basta po combination of hot and cold. Green and red. Isang green po at saka isang red dapat yung nakalight po doon sa Pro. Yun po, mas masarap po siya. In terms of effect, yung heat lang po yung wala, ang absent doon po sa cool setting. I mean, yung relaxation part. But the terahertz, the activation of the stem cell is still there po. What is the particular water that should be used for skin eruptions? I didn't hear it exactly. Blown water po or ginamitan ng iTera Care? Yes po, wala po kaming particular water na ina-advise. Ang sinasabi lang po natin, yung blown water, make sure lang po na potable water po. Hindi iniinom, no? So kahit anong klase ng water po, pwede po yan gamitin as long as it's still live water, no? Wag lang po yung mga distilled water ang gamitin. So, pwede po yung i-blow, tapos yun po yung tinatawag namin na charged water. Yun po yung gagamitin po for spraying the skin eruptions. Thank you so much po, Miss Evelyn Soriano, for the answer. How many minutes will I blow a pot with 2 liters of water? Should I blow again the food with previously added blown water? Is it okay po to use a stainless pot? No po. When you blow, please don't use plastic or stainless pot in blowing. Pwede nyo pong gamitin ang stainless pot after the blowing na po. Isasanin lang po siya pero not while blowing. Kasi meron pong effect or meron pong frequency din po ang stainless eh. So, magkakaroon po siya ng reaction just the same with the plastic. So, maganda po kung glass or mga ceramic po yung gagamitin natin. If you blow a pot of with 2 liters of water, usually po 5 minutes will do. Or minsan nga po 2 to 5 minutes. Kasi remember po, meron pong quantum scalar energy ang atin pong blower. Actually, mabilis nga lang po. Kahit po few seconds lang na pag-blower, effective na po yan siya eh. Pero, but of course, for us just to follow, kaya po tayo nagbibigay ng mga time or sinasabi po natin kapag glass, no, less than 1 minute, kapag ganito kalaki pot, ganyan, 2 to 5 minutes. Pag iTerra Pro po ang gagamitin, okay lang po ba na tig 1 minute lang sa protocol? Yes po, pwede po. Mabilis po talaga kapag Pro. Kaya nga po yan, ang Pro po is para po sa mga nagmamadali lagi at gusto po ng mga mabilisang pag-blower lang. Pwede po, pwede po. Appreciate and grateful po on your commitment, Core. Thank you so much po. Good evening po. My sister had a Bell's palsy last 2023 in 14 days, fully healed. Wow, this is a testimony po pala from Miss M. Torrentira. My sister had a Bell's palsy last 2023 of January. In 14 days, fully healed po. She was using classic device. O, diba? Classic device lang po yan, pero in 14 days, totally healed of the Bell's palsy. Wow. From Miss Jocelyn, saan po dapat i-blower yung may vertigo at may history na tumaas ang blood pressure? Okay, good thing po, no? Kasi po ang vertigo is meron po siyang problem sa balance. Usually po pag sa balance, as what I've learned from Dr. Alex, of course, and from the, kung ano po yung nababasa ko, usually po ang vertigo is a problem of balance sa ears. So, dahil po meron siyang high blood, sakto po, no, may high blood siya, hindi po talaga pwede nating i-blower sa crown. Pero po, ang pag-blower po is dito po sa side ng ears. Left, right, na pag-blower, tapos dito po sa likod, pababa. Basta downward lang po ang ating pag-blow. Heart enlargement po sa heart po, diretso lang. 15 minutes po after the basic protocol. Okay, you are very much welcome po. Maraming salamat everyone. I think I have answered all the questions. Thank you so much po. Okay, mayroon pang umabol. Pwede po ba i-blow ang water nakakakulo pa lang or mainit pa lang? Of course, pwede pong i-blow yung water. Kahit po kakakulo pa lang yan, pwede po. 2 times masakit po ang pigi gumanda. Okay. This is another testimony po. Yung uncle niya na 81 years old, na blower siya 2 times. Masakit ang pigi, gumanda din po ang pakiramdam. Ayan. Thank you so much po, everyone. Thank you for all your appreciations. And thank you so much for staying. Uh, for staying po up until the end. It's already 9:26 and thank you so much everyone for staying up until now and yes, good night po everyone. We'll see you next week. So please don't forget to share iTerra Care. Let's be a blessing to everyone. And our mission is to share at least one device per household. God bless everyone. Good night. Thank you so much.